Rain recap for 7th of July 2026. If you, so this was the first read. Um, Waited for the 9:30 candle to open, which was right here. And after that, I could have taken this inversion, probably targeting this unfulfilling referral gap. So I'm already inside the bullish footing referral gap. So what's the next thing that I can expect is 1 minute inversion fair value gap, and then tapping into the fair value gap, targeting unfilled 15-minute gap. So that should have been a trade, and we also almost have an equalize right here. So that is one of the A plus setup. That is the only A plus setup form today. So I had no reasons to go for a sell entry just because this 15-minute fair value gap has been holding and also a liquidity sweep. So that's where I messed up. And actually, I didn't still haven't swept the liquidity yet. So if I would have that second trade, I have to wait for that a little bit more. So um, there is no reason to go for shorts here because liquidity hasn't been swept. That's manipulation. The got out with the manipulation and had reasons, had points where I could have been break even on this trade, but still held this one. So that is also a mistake. So again, one more push to the liquidity, and then there is a consequent encroachment of that 15-minute fair value gap. So I got tapped in. After that, price gave us another 15-minute market structure shift. That was after the lunch, or probably, yeah, after lunch. That was in PM session. So still price going up and then tapping into this 15-minute gap right here. That was first last line of defense for the bearish entry, so bearish move or whatever it is. So eventually target's been smashed. Just the place where I took this trade was wrong. So let's go check on exactly moments after. I mean, stopping me out, and then like probably guys ripping down to the final take profit. So that alone says more patience needed. So this is exactly at a screen session. So anyways, probably would have closed the entry way. Yes, somewhere here that would have been not probably the break-even trade. So, but still, yeah. Anyways, so I actually took this trade right somewhere around here, I guess. Wait, let me just go ahead and put this. Okay, that's first entry. The second entry is right here. After this 1 minute inversion. So probably reasons to go break even because 1 minute gap has been valid and still um a, a, a mistake still, but still that was the last bit of manipulation. So if I were to keep this was my first trade and this would have been my stop loss. And probably this is where I would have closed the trade, not even 1 to 1, even if I hold this trade for almost like 2 3 hours. So I gotta actually risk more, and then probably the risk the same contracts should be increased. So that way, my trade has to be more precise, more patient enough to actually play out. So that is also another mistake and need to adjust. But anyways, eventually sweeping the final takeoff is crazy. But yeah, gotta improve a little bit more. And risk management is on tight. So I did actually break my rule today. So but still could have avoided the second loss. Uh, yeah, whatever. So yeah, so that's like that. So that's it. That's it about the trade weekend, though. Whatever. As always, believe in yourself, believe in God. Anything is possible. So just go get it.